Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending with the time you're watching this video from, guys. Happy new year. Happy new years, my good people, my beautiful people. My good name is Travel Ameche. Yeah, that's my very beautiful name, Travel Ameche here, the vlogger, the younger content creator at Nyabohanse village. And actually it's a happy new year in the village, guys. Things normal, things are very normal, guys. You can just see, yeah, it's the weather is very fine. It's date 1 January 2026. So very happy, thankful to God because he has just been with me, been with my family members, been with my friends. We are healthy, we are very strong, guys, and we need to thank God. We should thank God because he has just taken us to this far, guys. I'm very grateful today. I'm very grateful. I'm at the village here. You can see it's around at the time now it's around 11. It's 11 a.m. in the morning, guys. It's 11 in the morning. So guys, I'm just today recording this vlog to wish you a happy new year, happy new years with the very yeah, how can I say, may God be with you, guys. May God be with you. Thank you for my supporters, thank you for my subscribers, thank you for everyone who keeps supporting me. Continue supporting me, continue supporting your guy Travel Ameche, and actually I'll be good to go, guys. Thank you for the new subscribers. I can see I'm just developing, I'm just growing slowly. I got in my previous video, I just got around like 15 subscribers, guys, and that I'm very grateful. I'm very amazed, guys. So thank you for the new subscribers. And if it's your first time to watch my vlogs, if it's your first time to watch my videos, ensure that you just tap the subscription button, you turn on the notification button, so that whenever I can post a video, you'll be able to get a notification and you can view my videos, guys. So I thank you so much. May this year, let me just I'm not a prophet, but let me just prophesy. Let me just say that this year will be my year. I'm very sure. I'll keep working hard. I'll keep recording more videos, more amazing videos, guys, and fantastic. So you just subscribe and keep tuned. And also ensure that you turn on the notification button. Leave a comment, leave a positive comment. Keep me going, keep pushing me, guys. Keep just give me the morale, guys, so that I can continue posting my videos and recording more vlogs, guys. You can see it's a new year. Even I know you have been seeing that this cow in my vlogs. Yeah, I think it was when I showed you, it was just pregnant, and yesterday, not today, it just gave birth to a younger calf, guys. Very amazing and wonderful. By now you can see we're just feeding them. These are the how do we call them, the maize plants. Yeah, so we have just cut them down from the farm down there, guys. You can see it there. And we just feeding them, guys. Yeah, I was with my cousin here, but he has just left. He has just gone inside to do some sorts of things. He has gone, it's a preparation for just preparation for, we must eat, we must celebrate, we must be happy. Yeah, we must dance, music, we must yeah, celebration only, guys. Yeah, actually the other one is just right here. It's just feeding also. And because it's a new year, we need to feed them also very well, because seeing a new year, even if it's an animal, even if it's you as a human being, you feel like God has just favored you, guys. Most of the people just could not just come through to this year. They could not just others died yesterday, even before the new year reached, guys. But we, and you there watching me, who you're watching me there, God has been merciful to us, and actually he just brought us to this year, which is 2026, guys. So me, I'm very proud. I thank God, and I thank him so much, guys. So guys, the other thing that I need to tell you is that I'm so sorry, guys. I haven't posted the videos for a period of time, and I apologize for that. I know most of you guys, I know, not most of you, all of you, let me just believe so, love my content, you like my content, and actually you support me to big time. And actually, so I apologize, I've not been posting my videos because this phone that I used to record the vlogs, this phone of mine had just cracked. It had cracked down, and I was just looking for some funds to repair it, and at least now I thank God I just got the funds. My cousin just helped me, and I repaired it. The screen had cracked, and it had just gone off, guys. So I just repaired it yesterday. I decided that I should not enter a new year with my phone cracked. Yeah, and I decided to just repair it before the new year enters. And the new year is here. I thank God my phone is working. Yeah, and I think it's recording a very clear video. You can leave a comment there if the video is just okay. Yeah, but but one day, one time, I'll just have a GoPro. You know, a GoPro is a very good thing to be with. You need to have I need to have a GoPro as a content creator, guys. You know, a GoPro, you can hold it very well and easily, guys. You can be able to turn it around. You turn it the way you need, the way you want. It's very easy and efficient, guys. Yeah, very sure. But I know one day, one time, I'll just get a GoPro, guys. So that is it, and I'm happy my phone also is working. Yeah, but not that efficient, I know, but you can bear with me, guys. Yeah, you just keep supporting me, support me big time, and actually I'll be having one day a GoPro and be recording very amazing content, guys. So from today henceforth, guys, you will be viewing my videos now and then. You just turn on the notification button, and my videos will be just coming, and coming, guys, and actually will be good to go. So keep supporting me big time, and at the end of it, God will be with us all, guys, and actually we succeeded. So if I just said, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you are just watching my video for the first time, ensure that you subscribe, you turn on the notification button, you leave a comment, you share to your friends and family so that they can also subscribe to my channel, and I'll be good to go. You know, guys, I need to monetize this channel as early as possible so that I can at least have something, guys. Yeah, very amazing. You can see some of the cows are just right there eating. It's a new year. I know they are also happy, but I don't think if they know it's a new year, but let me just believe so. You know, but they're just sitting on the food. They'll just leave them. When they just smell, they just leave them, guys. Eating. So, guys, the food that they're just eating, the maize plants, we just cut them down from this farm, guys, because you know, even these plantation just got destroyed by a long period drought, guys. So the rain has just started recently. When we planted this, no rain came, guys. No rain came. So you can see even the products, the maize, the corns, the maize, they did not grow, guys. They did not grow well. They did not reproduce, guys. So this is an, let's say it's just, it's a loss, guys. But we thank God for everything. We don't know why. We need to, but even the Bible says that you need to thank for everything, because everything comes with a reason. Yeah, everything comes with a reason, and this we cannot complain that no. We need to thank God. But next time, let's try again next time, next season, at the place. You can just see, guys, no maize. So these we'll just be here. We'll be feeding the animals with it. We'll be feeding the animals with these maize plants daily until they just get depleted, and we'll just plant other ones. Yeah. So guys, it's a happy new year, and I will take you to, I think I'll just record another vlog to show you how people are celebrating. People just are celebrating at Nyabohanse there, at Nyabohanse Center, guys. You know, here I'm inside Nyabohanse, inside the village. I'm not at the center there. So I think on the next vlog today I'll post it today at night, and I'll show you how people are just celebrating there. You'll see it's very congested. It will reach a time in the afternoon or at around 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. guys. You'll just find people congested at Nyabohanse Center there, just walking, children just walking, being happy. Eh? Because guys, here we celebrate very unique, guys. In the village here we celebrate very unique. Even the people that come from the interior sides come here at Nyabohanse Center there to just have a walk and have a look, you know. And they're happy. They're just happy walking there at Nyabohanse. They interact, they greet each other. Yeah. That's very unique, guys. And actually, let me tell you one thing. You know, as long as you do a right thing and it makes you happy, just do it. So me, I'm happy if I see them walking at Nyabohanse there, just having a walk, interacting. Guys, it's very amazing, and they're happy. And also I'm happy for them, because if it makes them happy, nothing, there is no mistake there. That's good, that's nice, that's wonderful. So actually my celebration, I usually do it at home. I just be with my family members. We eat, we celebrate, we drink sodas, masoda, we just eat makuku. Okay guys, sorry guys, makuku is chicken. We just slaughter the chickens. You know, here we keep them, we don't buy. You just, when it reaches a day like today, you just go there to your, you pick just one of your chicken, you just slaughter it, then you cook, you celebrate. The things that we usually buy, some things like the sodas, the juice, yeah. But the other things, we just pick them because we keep them here. Like if we decide to just have the beef, we have a lot of the bulls here, not the bulls, the cows, you know. Yeah, there are other ones down there, the other ones are just right there. Yeah, you just pick one and you just slaughter it, then you cook. Amazing. Village life. That's village life, guys. So guys, keep tuned, keep watching this video till the end. Remember to share to your friends and family. Don't enjoy my content alone. Guys, don't enjoy my content alone. Ensure that you share to your friends and family so that they can also enjoy my content, guys. Yeah, you know guys, let me say this. You know me, I like if something that makes me happy, I just share it to my friends, to my family members, to my neighbors, so that they can see it, and at least even them, they can be happy. Yeah. So guys, even you just support me. Ensure that you share to your friends and family. Tell them that there is a small content creator at Nyabohanse by the name Traveler Meche, who posts very amazing videos, very amazing content, and at the end of it, they support me, guys. Yeah, they support me big time. So I've just told you that from today, like today, I'm going to post 2 videos. Tomorrow I'll just keep adding. I'll post more videos. As long as you support me, guys, I'll be very satisfied, and I'll salute you guys big time. So let's go back inside. You know, here I was in the other side of the farm. Here is the other side of the farm, and actually I need to go inside through that gate. Yeah. See, this is the other side of the farm where we usually just feed the cattle. We plant some crops going there, some tomatoes, some banana crops, some vegetables. Yeah, amazing, guys. So let's go inside. So here is the home. Here is the home, guys. And actually I'll go inside. You can see even the firewood for cooking has just been put down here. We're just using these to cook. We just pick them from the trees that we have, and we cut them into small pieces. Then we use it to cook on the 3 stones bonfire. We just put on the bonfire and we cook with it, guys. I think there is some music inside. I think my cousin is just listening to my music and will just corrupt my video. So let me just go through the other door. Let me go through the other gate. This is the other gate. Let me just close it. So this is the other gate, guys. So let's go. Amazing content, guys. Amazing content by Travel Ameche. You know, me even I wonder that I have that courage. You know, some content creators here at Nabuhanse. Let me just, sorry, guys. So there are some small content creators here at Nyabuhanse. They just fear, but we pray to them so that they can get the courage. You know, even me, when I started, I did not have this kind of courage. But at least now I'm just gaining courage because of you guys. You're just supporting me big time, and I'm gaining the courage. You know? Yeah, that's amazing. I think this door is closed. Oh, so I'll just let me just I think I'll end this video here. Then because of the music inside, I'll not go there. It will just corrupt my video. It will corrupt my video, and I don't want my video to be corrupted and get a copyright, guys. So I'll just let me just say this, guys. I'll just end my video with there, and I'll record another vlog now to show you how Nyabuhanse village, at Nyabuhanse center, there people are just come, sorry, to just have some celebration, have some walk, some kind of things, and actually, so keep tuned, subscribe, turn on the notification button so that even when I post the other video, you just actually be able to view it. So thank you guys for watching. May God bless you. Have a happy new year, happy new year, with more blessings. Yeah, and how can I say, you prosper, guys. So goodbye.